Earlier, we learned how to find the LCM of numbers by listing their multiples and then finding the one they have in common. And then we saw that the first number they have in common amongst their multiples is known as the lowest common multiple. But this time, let us find the LCM of 2 and 3, and then the LCM of 6 and 8 by a method known as prime factorization. So using the prime factorization method, we can also find the LCM of 2 or more numbers. And this is how it's done. Solution. The A part, we are looking for the LCM of 2 and 3. Now you write it out, just as I have done, into different columns. Now you check the prime numbers that can divide this without remainder. And if you observe, the two of them are prime numbers. So meaning we try first with 2, and 2 will go into just once. But since 2 cannot go in 3, we write down our 3 down, just as it is. Now the next is 3, and then 3 can go in 3 just once. Now, our LCM for 2 and 3 would be the product of these two prime numbers, that is 2 multiplied by 3, which would give us 6. Now, this method is known as the prime factorization method. Now, let's apply the same thing to 6 and 8. So for our B, we have 6 and 8. Write them into columns and then divide them by the prime numbers. So 2. 2 in 6, 3. 2 in 8, 4. 2 can still go in 4, so we apply that. Since it can't go in 3, we write down 3. And then 2 in 4, 2. 2 can still go. We still write down our 3. And then 2 in 2 is 1. Now we are left with just 3, which will go just once. Now, our LCM of 6 and 8 becomes the product of this, which is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Now, 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. And 8 times 3 would give us 24. That is the lowest common multiple of 6 and 8. You can apply this method to 2 other numbers. Thank you.